In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a fast and responsive Instagram feed like this on your Thrive Architect website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Instagram Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Instagram Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on your WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin at the top and upload the zip file for Instagram Feed Pro, just like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Instagram Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create our first Instagram feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Instagram Feed, hover over it and click on Settings. And over here beside License Key, we can paste a license key from your Smashballoon account. Once that's done, click Activate. There we go, our license key has now been activated. We can begin creating our Instagram feed. On the left hand side, once again, under Instagram feed, click on All Feeds. And to start creating our Instagram feed, click Add New. And for the first step, we'll have to select the feed type. With Instagram Feed Pro, you can create a feed of posts from any user timeline, a feed of posts from any public hashtag, and a feed of posts that you were tagged in as well. For this video, let's go with the user timeline option. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And now we'll have to connect your Instagram account to the plugin. To do that, click Add Source. Then on this step, you can select the best option that matches your Instagram account. If your account is a basic account, you can click here. And if your account is a business account, you can click on Business. For this video, let's go with Basic. Then click on Connect with Instagram. This will take you to Instagram, and if you're already logged into the account you want to display, you can click Allow. Otherwise, you can log out, log back into the account you want to display, and follow the same steps again. So let's go ahead and click Allow. And now you'll get this pop-up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. We can click Yes, it's my domain. This will take you back inside the plugin, and now you should see your Instagram account added as a source. We can select it, then click Next. And for this step, we'll have to select a theme for the design of our Instagram feed. You have 5 options to choose from, including the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. For this video, let's go with the modern theme and click Next. And for the final step of creating our Instagram feed, we'll have to select a feed template. Once again, you have several options to choose from, including the default, Simple Grid XL, and more below. For this video, let's go with the card grid template. Once that's selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our new Instagram feed right inside the plugin. This feed is displaying all the latest Instagram posts from the account we added as a source in the theme and template that we selected. This is now ready to be embedded inside our Thrive Architect page, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you'll find different layout options to modify your feed. At the top, you can choose a layout for your feed. Currently, we have the grid layout selected, which displays your Instagram posts in rows and columns. Next, we have the carousel layout, which displays your Instagram posts in a swipeable carousel like this. After that, we also have the masonry layout, which displays your posts in rows and columns, but with the posts in the original sizes. And lastly, we have the highlight layout, which highlights your latest post in a larger thumbnail, along with the rest of the posts in a grid layout. For this video, let's continue with the grid layout, and if you look below, you can choose how many posts you want to display inside your feed on desktop and mobile. You can see currently that we have 8 posts displayed inside the feed, but if you want to modify this, just enter the number of posts you want to display. For example, if I wanted to display 9 posts, I can type in 9, and the live preview automatically updates to display 9 posts. Underneath that, you can also choose how many columns you want inside the feed on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Inside our current preview, we have 4 columns. But once again, to modify that, you can open this up and select the number of columns you want to display. For this example, let's go with 3 columns. And instantly, you can see now that we have 3 columns inside our Instagram feed. If you're happy with the changes to the layout of your feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your Instagram feed, under the Customize tab, go into Color Scheme. You can see currently that it's set to inherit from theme, which means that your Instagram feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with a light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact color you want for your feed, just like this. Once you're happy with the color palette of your Instagram feed, click Save on the top right corner. And if you want to choose the exact post you display inside your Instagram feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Next, if we're going to moderate your feed and enable it, you can choose the exact post you want to display inside your Instagram feed. There's 2 ways to do this, with the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list, all your posts will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Next, with the Block list, all your posts will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you choose to manually hide. On top of that, you can also enter specific post IDs to hide them manually down below. If you want to use moderation mode and you've curated the post you want to display, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. But for this video, we're going to disable moderation mode, and if we go back into Filters and Moderation, underneath moderation mode, you can also add words as filters. so that your feed hides or only displays posts containing those words. Below that, you can also specify specific types of posts you want to display. You can filter between photos, feed videos, and reels. With these filtering and moderation options, you can choose the exact content you want to display inside your Instagram feed. And if you made any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Instagram feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your Thrive Architect webpage. To do that, open up the Thrive Architect page you want to embed your feed on. For this demonstration, let's create a new page. I'm going to click on Launch Thrive Architect. When creating a new page on Thrive, you have several options you can choose from. You can either go with a normal page, which will create a new page that matches the content on the rest of your website, or you can go with a blank page with a header and footer, a completely blank page, or you can use your pre-built landing pages. Let's go with this option. With this option, you can choose a professionally designed templates from their landing page library. For this demonstration, let's go with the quick theme, this one here. I can click on it. It will show you all the different pages you have along with that theme. For this tutorial, let's go with the first one here. Once selected, click Apply Template. And in just a few clicks, we have that template loaded up inside our WordPress webpage. How easy was that? Now let's embed our Instagram feed onto this section here. To do that, on the right-hand side, hover over the plus icon to add that element. And here inside the search bar, we can search for Smash Balloon. And the block we want is this one here, Smash Balloon Social Feed. We can click and drag it, then place it inside our webpage like this. Now that's inside our webpage, and on the left-hand side, we can open up Main Options. And first, we'll have to select what type of feed this is. Drop this down and select Instagram Feed. After that, we can select the feed that we just created, which is this one here, Green Grove Eatery. Once selected, you can instantly see a live preview of your new Instagram feed inside your Thrive Architect page. We can now save our changes and check it out on our live WordPress webpage. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right at the bottom we have our brand new Instagram feed that we just created. This feed is displaying all the latest Instagram posts from the account we added as a source, Green Grove Eatery. And the color palette and design are automatically set to match the design of our WordPress theme, in this case Thrive Architect. You can see that it matches seamlessly, and inside each post you can see the date it was published, the Instagram handle, the profile picture, and underneath the post you also have a caption preview. If a site visitor clicks on the photo, that post will open up inside a lightbox view with the caption on the right-hand side, a button to share the post, or to view the post on Instagram itself. At the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a Load More button. If you click on that, that will load additional posts inside your Instagram feed directly on your Thrive Architect website. So you now know how to create, customize, and embed an Instagram feed like this on your Thrive Architect webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.